Good morning. I am out with my basket. It is finally time to pick this beautiful Napa cabbage. This is the last one I have planted for. And as I said, today is the day. I'm super excited. Last season was my first time growing Napa cabbage, and my family really enjoys the taste of it, so I will definitely continue to grow it. So here it goes. I'm gonna cut the last, and normally I just cut off the bottom. It was raining earlier today, so the bottom looks pretty yucky, but I usually just cut the bottom off, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I will show you what it looks like. Enjoy that beauty. I think I'm going to make some kimchi, and then some kimchi with this one. I made stir fry with the other ones, but I think I'm gonna make kimchi today. Today's Super Bowl Sunday. I'm making hot wings. Kimchi is for me. I love kimchi with some rice, and then I'll be making some hot wings. I might do a video on the hot wings, but anyways, here it goes. I usually just cut the bottom off and then leave the roots in the ground. And because it's still winter, you may get some little regrowth. There's a regrowth from the last ones that I cutted. And it's just enough to probably put in a salad. But if it doesn't, then that's okay. You have some compost. This will either regrow, plant some new leaves, or you will have compost for your soil, which is really good. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave that there, let it do its thing. As you can see, I got a little bit, and like I said, I could put it in stir fries, or I can put it in a nice salad. And then I'm gonna go ahead, like I said, it was raining, so the leaves are like, you can see the water on it earlier today. I don't want to really disturb the plants, but I will go ahead tomorrow and, Lord's will, continue to harvest the rest of those mustard greens, some more purple mustard greens. And like I said, I usually just kind of cut from the stem, leave the roots in the ground, and they will regrow. As you can see, if you go back and check my mustard green video, I pretty much cut all the mustard greens and they grew back. So this is probably going to be a short video because I've got a lot of preparations today. Even though we are safer at home, we're still going to watch the Super Bowl and enjoy a nice little dinner. But I just wanted to share my last Napa cabbage in the winter. Yes, I'm still harvesting stuff, and hopefully you are too. That's a beauty. I wish I was close to my mom. She makes the best kimchi, and I would definitely willingly, gladly pass this on to her so that she could enjoy, or we could enjoy, because you know I would have some. But yeah, I'm thinking about my mom today. She makes the best kimchi. Like I said, this is going to be a short video. And look, I'm out here in the garden, and I didn't want to do too much walking around because, like I said, the ground is dry. But look at that, a white paperweight bloom. So I did a video 2 days ago, and I said, look at my blooms, and I think I spoke it into existence. Look at that beauty. She's beautiful. This is winter. This is February. Am I supposed to get blooms already? Please comment down below. I'm so excited. And next week I'll be planting some more blooms. I'm just so excited. Isn't it amazing how everything grows and some things stay dormant because of the cold weather. But as soon as the sun shines, and in this case today, it's a rainy day, and I have a bloom. What a beautiful visual. I've got my camera turned around, I'm sorry. What a beautiful visual. That's amazing. I thank God for the bloom. And I hope your garden is blooming as well. Thank you for joining me as I harvest my last Napa cabbage. All right, I'm going inside because it's cold and it's starting to rain again. Have a wonderful day. As always, stay loving, be kind, and stay healthy. I'll see you in my next video. Blessings. If you're still watching, thank you. I really appreciate your support. So some might not be familiar with kimchi. Kimchi is a term used for any vegetable that's been salted, seasoned, and fermented. And kimchi goes way back with my family. Actually, there's different varieties in Korea. And with my family, we had the opportunity to actually live in Korea. And that was my first experiencing tasting kimchi, and I absolutely love it. Kimchi isn't for everybody. In fact, my husband it's not one of his favorites. Like, he won't even try it. But it's really good. It's healthy for you. It has a lot of good benefits. It's a probiotic food, so good sources. Excellent oxidation and anti-cancer effects, and it helps prevent aging. Yeah, so yeah. Anyways, if you're still with me, thank you so much. I truly appreciate your support. And as I stated, I'm sorry I didn't show the process of me making it. I have a lot of different recipes and different things going on today, but I just wanted to jump back on and thank everybody again for watching. Have a wonderful, safe Super Bowl football.